This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Kia Optima. Begin by warming the engine 5 to 10 minutes to thin oil, then shut off and secure the car with the parking brake and wheel chocks. Gather tools and safety gear and verify you have the correct oil grade and filter. Safety first, take your time, and follow each step carefully for a clean, reliable oil change. Prepare tools and parts before you start to make the job smooth and safe. You will need the correct oil grade, replacement filter, drain pan, socket set, funnel, gloves, and rags. A jack and stands are essential to access the drain plug safely and have wheel chocks on hand. Double-check oil volume and filter compatibility to avoid mistakes, and keep a fresh container ready for used oil disposal. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for better workshop tunes while you work on oil changes. It pairs easily with any phone and lets you set timers, play how-to instructions, or ask for torque specs hands-free. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by lifting the car securely and locating the drain plug and filter. Place the drain pan underneath, remove the plug, and let oil drain completely until it is a slow drip. Replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and hand tighten to the specified torque. Swap the oil filter using a clean rag around the flange, add new oil via the filler, check the dipstick, and run the engine briefly to verify no leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.